So if you're only missing one tooth, why a dental implant over a proven bridge?
Well, people don't want to file down their natural teeth that they say are good teeth. So that's why they'll choose to have a single implant placed, which will also help them preserve their bone. It's nice medical grade titanium. It'll keep them from having so much bone loss and shrinkage so they don't look older as time passes. And that way they also don't get cavities. Dental implants don't decay. If you have a bridge, you still have to come back for patchwork and different things, especially if you get cavities under it that you can't see.
Okay, so what about cost? What costs more?
Well, a dental implant is similar to the cost of a bridge, and since the longevity of it is much better over the entire lifespan, is much less than a bridge.
Much less. So an implant can last how long?
It can last some people's lifetime. They have a very high success rate.
As long as you brush your teeth and floss a little bit, take care of them like regular teeth, they're going to last.
Yes, you do have to take care of them, but they'll last much better than a person who has a high sugar diet getting cavities under their bridges all the time.
Why aren't they all doing it? They just hear, oh, surgery, it just sounds terrible.
They're scared. They've already been coming to the dentist and what they've been doing hasn't been working. So they think, why should this work too? But they don't realize that they can be sedated for the procedure. It can all be done in one office. They don't have to go from office to office. They don't have a higher cost. We're able to save them the amount that they would pay by seeing multiple different doctors. So hopefully we can get them back to seeing a dentist regularly.